In this tutorial, we'll go over how to create a 2D pattern from the basic bodice block to the sleeve. Let's get started. We'll be working based on the default avatar in Z-Weave, using its size measurements. Go ahead and open Z-Weave. First, let's create the back bodice. The avatar's bust is 85.12 centimeters, so we'll round it to 85. We'll draw a rectangle using 42.5 centimeters for the width, that's half the bust, and 38 centimeters for the back length. Use offset inner line to go down 21.5 centimeters. This gives us the bust line. Click the center front and the bust line together, then right-click and choose Split Intersection. Right-click again and apply offset inner line by 21.25 centimeters to create the side seam. Do the same on the center back and apply Split Intersection. Use offset inner line to draw the across front and across back at 17 centimeters and 18 centimeters. To make the neckline, right-click a curve and choose Divide Curve. Use 7 centimeters. Click the segment and right-click again. Choose Offset Outline and extend it upward by 2.5 centimeters to set the side neck point. From now on, we'll use the shortcut I for Divide Curve. Move 18 centimeters to the side of that extended line and divide the curve. From that point, go down 6 centimeters using offset inner line to mark the shoulder point. Now connect the shoulder point and the side neck point with the curve tool. Next, divide the across back just below the shoulder intersection. Repeat the same length on the opposite side toward the side seam. Switch to shortcut Q for the curve tool. Connect the marked point to the side seam with a curve. Use shortcut I to divide the diagonal in half. Draw a perpendicular line from the midpoint and mark a point 1 centimeter inward from that line. Where the shoulder extension and across back intersect, use Split Intersection. From the extension line, mark 0.5 centimeters. Now connect from the shoulder point to the midpoint to the 1 centimeter in point, and finally to the side seam. Select all those connected segments, right-click, and turn off line mode. Then use the curve handles to smooth out the armhole. Let's draw the neckline now. Click and drag the curve just like using the pen tool in Illustrator. Draw neckline with curve tool. Once the back bodice is done, select all the curves. Right-click and choose Make Surface with Curves. The front bodice is similar to the back bodice, but with a few measurement differences. Use offset inner line to go in 6.7 centimeters and mark the side neck point. Use divide curve to go down 7.2 centimeters and mark the front neck point. Go 0.5 centimeters lower to add ease, then connect that point to the side neck point. Draw the diagonal and use equal divide to split it into 3. From the last division, go down 0.3 centimeters and draw a smooth curve. Divide the across front in half. Measure from the end of the line to the side seam and divide again. Use the curve tool to connect the point to the side seam. Divide the diagonal in half and draw a perpendicular line from the midpoint. Mark a point 2 centimeters inward. From the side neck point, move 18 centimeters sideways and mark the point. Go down 6 centimeters using offset inner line and connect that to the side neck point. Let's match the shoulder seam to the back. Measure the back shoulder. Use the curve tool to connect the armhole. Select the lines and use shortcut L to convert them to curves, then refine the shape. Next, draw the dart. Divide the across front in half and draw a short vertical line. From the side neck point, measure 24 centimeters down and mark the point. Draw a perpendicular line toward the side seam. Use offset inner line to go down 2.5 centimeters and draw the dart line. Connect and complete the dart. If any lines overlap, use split intersection or divide curve to clean them up. Select only the outline again and choose Make Surface with Curves. Click any unnatural angle and apply Smooth, then edit it with the curve handles. Start by measuring the front and back armholes with the measurement tool. Draw a rectangle 57 centimeters tall by 35 centimeters wide. Use offset inner line to go down 32 centimeters and mark the elbow line. Then go down 14.1 centimeters and mark the biceps line. Divide the sleeve width in half, 17.5 centimeters. On the front side of the biceps line, divide into 3. On the back, divide into 2, and split the half closest to center again. Repeat that for the top edge mirrored. From the sleeve center, mark 20.1 centimeters for the front armhole and 21.4 centimeters for the back. These are 0.5 centimeters less than the actual lengths. Use the curve tool to connect those points on both sides. Use split intersection on all crossing lines. Then convert the new curves into smooth curves for the armhole. Mark the midpoint of the back elbow line. At the wrist, go in 25 centimeters and connect to the back armhole end. Use offset outline to go down 1.5 centimeters and connect the orner. Convert it to a curve and refine it. Split the intersection between the elbow and sleeve seam. Then mark 1 centimeter outward from the elbow on both front and back. Connect those points to form the new side seams. From the lower sleeve seam, mark 0.8 centimeters down and connect that to the elbow midpoint to draw the dart. Make sure all points are clean. Use divide curve or split intersection if necessary. Select the sleeve outline and choose Make Surface with Curves. In 3D view, right-click the sleeve and choose Flip horizontally to mirror it. Use Quick Move to place it on the avatar. Click 2 points on the pattern, then 2 on the avatar to position it accurately. Adjust the shape in the Properties panel under Deform Parameters. Use the sewing tool to sew the dart. Then switch to free sewing for the side seams, shoulder seams, armholes, and sleeve seams. Draw one side, press Enter, then draw the other. Finally, select the center lines of the front and back bodice. Right-click and choose Unfold Mirror. Right-click the sleeve and use Mirror to duplicate it. That's it. We've gone through the full process from the basic bodice block to the finished sleeve. If there's a specific topic you'd like to learn next, leave us a comment. Thanks for watching.